Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about cosine, half, angle. So now I will show you how to answer. We have cosine 2a equals to 2 cosine a square minus 1. We know that's 165 in here. That is about the quadrant number 2. About the quadrant number 2, cosine of this one should be about negative number. Now, we want to find the value of cosine of 165 degrees in here. So, we put about 165 gone here. This one we will have about cosine 330 degrees. So this one we have the square root of number 3 over 2. So we put negative number 1 go to the left, you got about positive number 1. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. And we have the square root of number 4 plus 1 over 2. We put the square root for the both sides. We know that this one is about negative number. So we need to put the negative side next to the square root. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.